Good afternoon, everyone. It's me. I am back at the office now. Thank you for my customer trusting the process for a health retirement visa and do driver license and if you need help anything about law, retirement visa, work permit, anything about driver license, just call me and then let me know. You know how to find me at Rompo Market, Mokata here and my office here, and then we have buffet, we have international, we have coffee. If you want to come and enjoy every day starts 4:30 and then come enjoy and then you will see me here and you will see Rompo Mokata here. But if you need about buy land, buy home, buy condo, company, anything, you just let me know. I will invite you. And if you need want to rent a condo or buy, just let me know. I'm here about what kind visa you need, what solution you need, and if you want to marry with some girl about the process, how to do. I help you everything about process, law system, live here about healthcare, insurance. Just let me know. You know how to find me. I'm here, Sasi Visa Estate at Rompo Market. You will find me. Well, everyone, enjoy. Have a nice day on Wednesday. Don't forget to call me and book appointment first. Bye, everyone. See you soon.